Hi, God. Thanks for the shine. Hello, people. I'm one of the people, okay? All right, so let's go ahead and knock this notice out, all right? So this is to all public servants, okay? Remember what a public servant is. A public servant is any political entity, any corporate entity, or any business entity that falls under the jurisdiction of the constitutions, okay? And remember, we the people are your bosses, and we love you, okay? Check out witness. Witness is any man or any woman that are hearing the words that we're laying down right now. When you put men and women together, they're called the people, man. All right, so let's go ahead and read this. Public notice of the people's inherent rights. Notice to agent is notice to principal. And notice to principal is notice to agent, okay? Let's go. I, that's me, one of the people of God, that's me again, in the 50 American states, that's me again, as seen in Genesis 1:2-6, KJV, that's what's up, and Article 2, Section 1 of the California State Constitution, Republican in form. Sui juris, am serving you with this notice so that you and your agents may provide immediate due care, okay? Let's go. Please take notice that the people have a duty and obligation to preserve the blessings and liberty of good government, okay? See evidence below. Then we got that maxim of law, 51Q, a frequent recurrence to fundamental principles and a firm adherence to justice, virtue, and original law are indispensably necessary to preserve the blessings of liberty and good government, okay? Remember that, man, and we're going to be cool. All right, please take notice that God's people are not felons, okay? See evidence below. California Constitution, Article I or Article 1 for Section 1.4 for 14, text of Section 14. Felonies, this is lawyer talk, felonies shall be prosecuted as provided by law, either by indictment or after examination and commitment by a magistrate by information, okay? That's so wordy. All right, check this out. A person, remember that, charged with a felony, remember that too, by complaint, subscribed under penalty of perjury, we want your oath, and on file in the court in the county where the felony is triable shall be taken without unnecessary delay before a magistrate of that court, okay? The magistrate shall immediately give the defendant a copy of the complaint. Who's a defendant? What's a defendant? Inform the defendant of the defendant's right to counsel. Allow the defendant a reasonable time to send for counsel, and on the defendant's request, read the complaint to the defendant. On the defendant's request, the magistrate shall require a peace officer to transmit within the county where the court is located a message to counsel named by defendant, okay? A person, remember that, unable to understand English, right, who is charged with a crime has a right to an interpreter throughout the proceedings, okay? So check this out. Here goes that keyword flow. People. What is a people? People is men and women, okay? Remember that. Nation, remember that. Body of citizens. From Populonia, Juno, right? This means she who protects. And that's army, okay? So remember, the people, that's God's army, man. Period, the end, all right? Now check this one out right here. This is fun. Felony. Felon is fellow, which means evildoer, okay? Felony is an evildoer. A people cannot be an evildoer, all right? Remember that. We're going to be cool, man, all right? Check this out right here. Prosecute is proseque, right? You know, which means follow after, which means accompany, which means chase, which means pursue, which means attack, which means assail, which means abuse, right? Then you got that pro and then forward, right? So pro means forward and seque means follow, right? You see that? S-E-K-W, right? To follow, right? So when you're back at that vision, that's it, man. We're done, okay? Check this out right here. We got magistrate. Magistrate is a civil officer in charge of administering civil laws. What? Okay, look at this one. It says magister, which means chief, head, director, teacher, okay? And then you got that meg, right? M-E-G, which means great, all right? So the magister is a great teacher, okay? Check this out. Information, inform is train, instruct, Educate from IN for EN, which means into, right? And then you got form, shape, image, right? And then that has way, manner from morphe, right? Morphe, remember that, okay? Which means form, shape, figure, okay? That's what's up, all right? Check this out. Let's keep it going. We love these keywords. Person, right? Remember this. Person is an individual, a human being, a mask, a false face, from PHERSU, which means mask, right? Okay, so a people cannot be a person, and a person cannot be a people, okay? They're separate, all right? And that's why the people, God's people, cannot be felons, all right? Let's go. Please take notice that it is a crime to deprive the people of rights under the color of law. See evidence below. We love this one. Maxim of law 92 AA for alpha, right? The deprivation of any rights may be punished, man. Remember that, period, the end. All right, now we got some lawyer talk for Title 18 USC Section 242. Here we go. Whoever, under color of any law, statute, ordinance, regulation, or custom, willfully subjects any person in any state, territory, commonwealth, possession, or district to the deprivation of any rights, privileges, or immunities secured or protected by the Constitution or laws of the United States shall be fined under this title or imprisoned not more than 1 year or both, and if bodily injury results from the acts committed in violation of this section, or if such acts include the use, attempted use, or threatened use of a dangerous weapon, explosives, or fire, shall be fined under this title or imprisoned not more than 10 years. We're going to stretch it out. Or both, and if death results from the acts committed in violation of this section, or if such acts include kidnapping or an attempt to kidnap, aggravated sexual abuse, or an attempt to commit aggravated sexual abuse, or an attempt to kill, shall be fined under this title or imprisoned for any term of years or for life, or both, or may be sentenced to death, man. Remember that, man. We'll make you go bye-bye. Okay, let's keep it going. This notice is sent to you in peace and with the love of Christ. Thank you, Christ. We love you. So that you may provide due care to those who have all political power. The people, remember that, okay? And then we got this. We, the people, love you, seriously, and we wish for you to do good, okay? We want you to shine, because when you shine, we shine, all right? That's what's up. Look who it's coming from. It's coming from Alec. That's me. Man of God. That's what I do. Servant of Christ. That's who I follow. Then we got that date. Then we got by God we serve with love, man. Period. The end. We're done. Okay, so we read the public notice. All right, so let's hop on to our next bit, okay? How we doing on time? We're cool on time. All right, we got God's love story. It got woe to Pharisees and experts in the law, man. Remember this, okay? Lawyers. Right, Luke 11:52, King James Version. That's what's up. All right, Maxim of God 52. Woe unto you lawyers. Remember that, for ye have taken away the key of knowledge, seriously, right? Ye entered not in yourselves, seriously, and them that were entering in ye hindered, okay? So that's why we have to instruct you lawyers now, man, because you guys don't know what's up, okay? So check this out. Here goes some words, right? Woe-wah. Woe-wah is misery, suffering, okay? So you made the people feel misery, and you made the people suffer no more, okay? Lawyer. Lawyer is interpreter of Mosaic law. Remember that. Fun fact. All law comes from the Bible, man. Period. The end. And we got that sage. Then we got that wise man. Then we got that advisor. Then we got that counselor, right? Which means L-E-G-H. And L-E-G-H is where law comes from. And that means to lie down and lay. So that's why we're laying down the words for you, okay? Then we got key. And key is, that's a tool, right? K-I to cleave, split. Man, that's why we're always splitting up the words for you, okay? And then we got that knowledge. Knowledge, know, is G-N-O, which means to understand, perceive. So we giving you your vision back, man. These are your eyes, okay? And then we got enter. Enter is between, among, in, right? In, E-N-E-N or E-N-I-N. That's what it is, okay? And then we got hinder or hinder, which means to harm. That's a no-no. Injure. That's a no-no. Hinder, which means back, rear, end, man. See, this is why we always want you to unite with us and walk with us and become one with us. We don't want you to have our back, man. We don't need you to have our six, because God's always covering us, man, okay? So that's what's up. All right, so let's go ahead and hop on our last bit, man. We love this one. So we got that one mission. It's to protect the children for now and on, forever. Okay, period, the end, man. This is our Christ mission, all right? Check out these words, okay? Foundation, facts, man. Remember this, okay? Order of God's world, go. God created everything. Remember this, okay? Jesus Christ is God who died for all people's sins. Remember this, okay? God created man, woman, child, people. Remember this, okay? That's what's up, right? God gave man dominion over all the earth. Remember this, okay? Look at that. The people are boss, all right? Man, woman, child, the people are boss. Remember this, okay? All right, then the people create constitutions. Remember this, okay? We're done, man, we're done, okay? So we read that foundation, man. So let's go ahead and close out, man. So we did our duty and we did our obligation, right? So we read the public notice of the people's inherent rights, man. So that went out to all public servants, man. You know, so if you're a political entity, you're a public servant and we the people love you. If you're a corporate entity, you're a public servant and we the people love you. If you're a business entity, you're a public servant, we the people, we love you, okay? And then now we gave you that knowledge and now you guys know what's up, okay? So we're done. We're going to put this together. We're going to upload it and then we're going to see how it flows. Remember, nobody's having more fun than us. Bye.